So I have a Google Sheet that has all the entries that I'm going to be doing the first day of every month. I'm going to be doing a banana pudding seminar. This is only an example. That's the title. This is the date of the event, the start time of the event. This is the location I'm going to have the event. And this is the description text that I want to have. And I want all this data put into my Google Calendar. Now, typically in the past, what I would have done was a lot of copy and paste. I'm not doing copy and paste anymore. What I'm going to do is this. I went to Claude and I wrote this prompt to Claude. Let me write the prompt. Give me a second. I said I have a Google Sheet with 10 records that I want to import into my Google Calendar. I have a header row that lists the field names related to the Google Calendar. I want these entries entered into, let's use the word imported, into my primary Google Calendar. Write me the app script to do this. Now I'm going to hit go. Now Claude, by the way, look here, I'm using free Claude. I am not paying for Claude. This is free, okay? So got to read what it says to me. Import rows from active Google Calendar, expected header row. Title, start date, start time, end date, end time, description, and location all day. Well, I need to make sure it says title, start, end, end. So let's go into my spreadsheet. So this is start date. It says it expects an end date. So let's insert a column to the right. Let's take all this right here, put it over here, and let's call this end date. It also needs a start and end time. So let's create another column over here. Let's call it end time, and let's make this 12:00 p.m. Copy that down. So now I have my start date and my end date, my start time and my end time. Okay? Clean that up, make it a little easier to read. All right. And then it says it needs to have location. What else did it say? Let me go back. Needs to have description and location. It wants all day, but I'm not using all day, so I'm going to ignore that. Start date is required. Everything else is optional. If all day column has true, it creates an all day event. If end date time are blank, it defaults to 1 hour after start. If end date or time are blank. But I need a start time. Doesn't say it needs a start time, but I have it. So it gives me this data, gives me this app script. Now it tells me to take this now, open the sheet, go to extension app, paste this in. So let me copy this. Let me go to my sheet, click on extensions app script. I need to add a file, and I'm going to add script. I'm going to call this import to calendar. Get rid of all the stuff that's in there and paste this. Now I've pasted that in there. Now what it tells me to do is after I paste this all in there, wow, it doesn't tell me this, but I've got to save it and then I can run it. If I don't hit save, it won't work. I know that. So go here. I have to hit, oh, actually it doesn't say save. Save. Now run. It's running it. It should create 10 calendar entries. Created 10 entries. So here's what it did. It took all this. Now let's go to my calendar. My first entry should be at 7:01, which was a couple days ago at 11 o'clock. So I'm on my calendar. Let me hit refresh. There it is right there. Banana pudding. Let me do a search for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. B-A-N-A-N-A. Hit enter. There they are. 7/1, 8/1, August, September, October, November, December, all of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 entries, 11 o'clock, banana pudding. And I should have a description text. If I hit pencil here, there's my description text. I'm looking for ways to do things with Google Calendar and Google Sheets easier and quicker than I used to do it. And I decided to do some experimenting with free Claude. Now, I don't know what limit I'm going to run into, but I'm using free Claude. I got Claude to write me this app script. I went over to Google Sheets. I hit extension, app script. I put that in there, saved it, and ran it. I had to make sure that my spreadsheet was set up properly, and it pulled all those entries into my calendar. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I'm experimenting with Claude with Google Workspace, and I thought this might be something that could be useful for you.